4th of July at Carolina Beach. This is the pier, what's left of it after the hurricanes. This is the north end of Carolina Beach, which people are allowed to drive out on. Walk down this way a little bit. 7/4/2021. And all those umbrellas you see down there have cars, four-wheel drive cars that pay big money to come out here on Carolina Beach Road. We used to do this for free, but no more. Nothing's free. And it's cried a lot of waves today. Let's go back around and show you more of the pier. Now see, if you were brave, you could come out here with a surfboard and shoot the pier. Surf in between. Sorry. It's the best shady spot in town, too. And a little bit of water to wade through. There's the pier on this side. And they've got it where now you cannot walk out on the pier all the way. It's basically got a bar on this end of it. Probably sell you a burger or something. But that's about it. See, there's the bar shack and burger. I guess it's a beer shack and burger. Tiki something or other. And there's bikinis on the beach. Now we'll walk this way. And this is just on this end of the beach. They have these boulders here to keep the water from just completely washing away the beach and the houses that are up here beyond them. It ends further down here, thank goodness. And eventually they'll pump sand up here, so it won't be so bad. So once again, I guess I have to do the obligatory ask people, would you mind subscribing to my channel? I think I'm up to like double digits now, 10 subscribers, so you can make a big difference. A lot of the YouTubers I see, they're on here saying, you know, help me get to 200,000, help me get to, you know, 250,000 subscribers. And all I'm asking is just a couple more, folks. You know, so just humor me and push the subscribe and maybe hit the like. That would be great too. I don't know what good it does, but it makes me feel better. So thank you if you do subscribe. And we're going to tell a couple of jokes today. Now the bikinis are out for 4th of July, that's for sure. Now we'll try our best to get up beyond these rocks here before the tide comes up. I think it's coming up. I have a gimbal ordered, but it's going to be an interesting gimbal. It's not one of the electric gimbals. It's one of these that uses weights to keep the camera fairly steady. It'll keep it from rocking left to right and back to forth and all that kind of stuff, but it doesn't do anything about the up and down bouncing, so I'm going to have to worry about that on my own. Tried to find a gimbal, electric gimbal, to work with an iPad, and I just don't see one. So we'll try our best to find one. Well, all my jokes today are related to each other. In fact, they pretty much have the same punchline. So we'll start with the first one, then we'll tell you a couple of more. First one is, what's sticky and brown? Sticky and brown. Answer is a stick. Ho, ho, ho. And now the second joke. What do you call a boomerang that won't come back when you throw it? A boomerang that won't come back. Answer is a stick. Told you these are all related, the same punchline. So pay attention to the third joke, which will come up in a minute. Once again, it's the 4th of July crowd here on a Sunday, which is usually pretty crowded on a Sunday, but then throw in the 4th of July, and you got a crowd. Thought you might like that. Okay, the third joke, remember all of the punchlines are related. Yep, they're building pretty much without a permit, I would say. So, joke number 3. What's made out of wood and goes up and down? Made out of wood and goes up and down. Answer is a stick in an elevator. Stick in an elevator. And I know they're corny jokes, but we got a big overhead here with these joke writers of corny jokes. It's hard to find people to write bad jokes. So if you would subscribe, I'd sure appreciate it. Doesn't cost you anything. It keeps them jokes rolling. about to kung fu you.